If your computer is acting sluggish, freezing up, throwing random pop-ups, or drowning you in ads, there's a good chance it's hiding malware, spyware, or adware. I've been there myself, and the free solution I've relied on for years is Malwarebytes Free. It's one of the most effective tools out there for removing malware, spyware, and other junk slowing down your system. Here's exactly how to clean your PC step by step. Step 1. Head down to the description and download Malwarebytes Free using the official link. Once the download finishes, run the installer. It only takes a minute and is super simple to set up. Step 2. Open Malwarebytes. On the dashboard, click Scan. The program will now comb through your files. Depending on how much you've got stored, this might take a few minutes, so let it run. Step 3. When the scan finishes, you'll get a report of everything it found. Review the list, then hit Quarantine to safely remove any threats. Step 4. If Malwarebytes recommends a restart, go ahead and reboot. Once your PC powers back on, it should already feel faster, smoother, and cleaner. When I ran it on my own system, Malwarebytes scanned over 230,000 files in about 22 minutes and found 2 infections my regular antivirus completely missed. After cleaning and restarting, my computer was instantly running like new. Now, Malwarebytes also offers a premium plan that adds real-time protection, meaning it blocks threats before they can even get onto your computer. It also comes with web protection, which helps keep you safe from malicious sites and dangerous downloads. But honestly, the free version is perfect if you just need a reliable, on-demand cleanup tool, and it's just as effective. Download Malwarebytes Free today from the link below and give your PC the deep clean it deserves. And if you want to level up your online safety even further, check out my next video on the top 5 free VPNs. It's linked right here on screen. A VPN protects your privacy by encrypting your internet connection, secures your data on public Wi-Fi, and keeps hackers away. It also allows you to bypass geo-restrictions and access region-locked content. So if you're serious about your online security and privacy, a VPN is a must-have tool. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free PC fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.